Hello everyone. Here we come again to another video about healthy tips we learned from Harvard. Just sit back and enjoy watching my created video for you YouTuber. What we learned from Harvard. In 2011, Harvard Health Publishing released a visual health guide that focused on the healthiest foods on Earth and how much we should be eating. They called this report the Healthy Eating Plate, a detailed blueprint for healthy eating and portion control based on scientific research. Here's just some of what they uncovered. Increase your fruits and vegetable intake. It should come as no surprise that most of us aren't eating enough fruits and vegetables, yet they carry some of the highest levels of vitamins and nutrients of all the food groups. In fact, the Healthy Eating Plate recommends that we fill half our plate with fruits and vegetables. Some of the best fruits and vegetables are spinach. This is a very nutrient-dense superfood and is one of the healthiest foods on Earth. Spinach is loaded with nutrients and vitamins including vitamin A, vitamin K and essential folate, while being low on calories. Beets. Beets are good for the heart and great for the brain. They're also excellent for lowering blood pressure. These powerful root vegetables are filled with vitamin C, magnesium and folate. Avocado. Consuming just 1 to 2 avocados every week will provide you with all the benefits of monounsaturated fats as well as loads of vitamin B6 and folate. Raspberries. Most fruits come loaded with antioxidants and raspberries are at the top of the list. Loaded with vitamin C, iron and calcium, they will provide you with a ton of nutrients while helping you curb those sugar cravings. Lemons. Lemons not only carry powerful anti-inflammatory qualities but they are proven to hinder the growth of cancer cells. They also offer tons of vitamins including vitamin C, phytonutrients and folate. Eat whole grains. Harvard Health Publishing also recommends that we fill 1/4 of our plates with whole grains. This includes things like barley, quinoa, oats, brown rice and other whole and intact grains. Healthy plant oils. When it comes to how we cook our foods, we need to be careful not to use unhealthy fats. Instead, swap them out for sunflower, peanut, olive, canola and other healthy vegetable oils. And if you're a coffee drinker, you'll be pleased to know that coffee is healthy for you. Replace sugary drinks with water, coffee or tea. Just be careful not to load your coffee or tea with sugars or creams. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Healthy natural cures for all of my upcoming videos. Have a nice day and God bless everyone. Thanks for watching.